Hi, Chiko.
Yo, Chachiro.
How are you?
I'm very okay. How are you?
Okay, for the first time, Chiko is going to speak English like nothing.
I don't know if you now. For the very first time, no, Babachi. The Bible sang Kuba. I want to Kuba Natu Sawa.
I thought all that you got to say it in English.
I don't know if some Gualajuanga and never declare Mumarako. But you might always send the Sogera Zungo at Yagakuntabula.
What happened to you? What did English do to you?
Nothing. Yeah, Mdogeranga and Muduzange. It is a Tamira. Or Zungo Ndogeranta midday. Akakana Kamaronya Uganda waraje umpulire. Nkutidde. Yeah. Neba nange. Ensingo zigenda tuluma, zigenda menyeka. Buli wojiro abasajja bambadde. Bagayi bambadde wano obugoye sebo. Bagayi? Bano banyola bamawala. Nze ndi musajja mufumbo. Nange ensingo za kutumira tuli mu blankets and wine as usual lwakuba ndi maama singa enkuba wano bataddewo kigundi kigazobe ekinene etatonnya wano ebisooto abaana bazze bawoomye tuzze tunyumye bifaananyi tebikyavaayo nga betubyagala tulina ebisooto but of course yonna gyekiri walaja ajja bimala walaja
buli kiba ekyo kigwera mu walaji
ate mune tukole ki
obuteekayo buti mwajjanga ne madrag
andi yasiramuka kati ate eddiini ndooza tekkiriza bino kati simanyi ayiyisi yaleka naawe kuba n'abaana abali wano bw'oba gweze.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
You're good?
I'm so good.
You're chilling with Rachel.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
How is music?
Music is doing well. I just dropped a new song about a month ago. I'm working on an EP. I'm taking my time. I'm really taking a long time because I want to create something amazing and something that not everyone is doing. So.
We thought you had abandoned the music and right now you're into band things.
I'm into band things. I'm still doing music. Music is me. I would never stop doing music. I'm also into film and TV. Yeah.
You started a film?
Yeah.
When?
What's that?
When?
Just recently. We're in production right now.
Into production?
Yeah.
Is Mom Halima helping you?
Of course.
Also on your EP?
Yes. My EP should be out by the end of the year. I'm working with amazing producers. Just doing me. I'm just doing me.
Doing you. Do we see you redoing your mommy's favorite songs? People you like Chimbewo?
No. I mean, I don't want to touch the classics. I want them to stay as they are. But me and Mom, we have a song together, something fresh, something new. So yeah, we've been working. Yeah.
Pushing who?
We're pushing each other.
No way, your mom has done it all. She has classics and for you.
Yeah, she has classics and she's really been helping me out a lot. I'm just doing my own thing. I don't want to blend in. I'm very in my own lane. So, yeah.
Okay. When do we see you putting up either EP listeners album or a concert?
Yeah, looking at the end of the year, I'm going to be doing like a mini showcase, showcasing my EP, and yeah, right now I'm just working on that, not rushing through it. When it happens, it happens.
Let's talk about blankets now.
Yes, I'm so happy to be here. Okay. The last time I was here was about 2 years ago. I performed here once, which was really cool. It's a vibe.
How is the feel today? It has rained.
My God.
Yeah?
I'm happy to be here, but my goodness, it's too much mud. I'm trying to be cool like you, but I'm failing.
Every time we see you moving solo. When do we see you moving with a happy boyfriend?
I'm very happy. Solo. I'm happy with my God. Yes, I'm very happy.
No way.
I'm not in any pressure.
Oh, no.
I'm not.
Rachel, we need to see you with a happy.
I'm not in any pressure. It will happen when it happens. It will happen. You'll be the first one to know.
She has seen the real you every time. No matter where I go, you'll be the one I love. Will never forget your love. Maybe just one more time, can you? Who wants to start with me? May I remind you one more time how it feels to love, to love, to love, to love, hey, to love, to love. Every time, no matter where I go, you'll be the one I love and I will never forget your